How's it going, guys? Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So check it out. The entire market right now is dumping, and so is Sofi stock. Even though we got news that they're partnering with LightSpark to power blockchain-enabled international money transfers, which of course we're going to break that down in this video. Big news, guys, from Sofi. And again, the stock is dumping. Right now we're trading at $23.24, down over 4%. And that's after we popped this morning after we got that news. Look, we got to 25 bucks in the pre-market, you guys can see. And well, once the market opened, that did not last. Sofi opened up at $24.70, and well, now we're at $23.23 as all the indexes except for the Dow are in the red. And honestly, you guys, the Dow's only up, 18 points, which is nothing. It's just barely over 45,000 points right now, or not even actually. But QQQ's down over 1%, SPY's down 0.4%, Russell down 0.6%. So yeah, it's that kind of day. Stocks are down, SoFi's down. Excuse me, even though we got this news. So let me dive deeper into the news before we actually break down the charts here. So bear with me, guys, as I pull this up. So you can see the headline: Sofi stock falls despite LightSpark partnership. And actually, let's go right to the investor relations page, or SoFi's investor relations page, which is where we can actually, get the news right from the source, in other words, right? So we can see here they announced their upcoming international money transfer service, enabling members to send funds abroad directly from the Sofi app with lower fees and faster delivery compared to traditional remittance service providers, right? And LightSpark, they're a leading enterprise infrastructure provider that uses the Bitcoin Lightning Network, and they'll enable the technology via universal money address, in other words, UMA, to send and receive money seamlessly and with access to an open global network for payments. That's huge, right? And Sofi will be one of the first U.S. banks to offer a blockchain-powered remittance service, which is massive news. And Anthony Noto here said, for many Sofi members who regularly send money to loved ones internationally, the ability to quickly transfer money at a low cost isn't just a convenience, right? It's a meaningful improvement to their everyday financial lives, which I couldn't agree with more. By embedding this directly into the app, we're unlocking the value of blockchain technology to give members faster, smarter, and more inclusive access to their money. Sofi is one of the most innovative and forward-thinking financial platforms in the United States today, said the CEO of LightSpark, David Marcus. He said digital banks are embracing UMA because it's fast, cheap, and secure, and it uses the only open payments network that exists, Bitcoin, right? UMA on Sofi means customers can move dollars instantly, anytime, globally. And we're excited to see the demand via Sofi's waitlist, proving that people are ready for the future of payments, right? And if we come down here a little bit more to kind of get an idea of how this works, we can see, and by the way, the international money transfer service will launch later this year. So it's not live. It's launching later this year, and they'll be one of the lowest cost platforms, Sofi will be, to actually transfer money internationally, with the total cost being below the current national average. That's big. That's big, right? And to ensure full transparency, exchange rates and fees will be displayed up front, which is huge, before members hit send. I love that. I love that. And the service will be available 24/7 directly on the Sofi app without needing to use a third-party app, which is great. Very seamless. That's key, especially, in 2025, heading into 2026, which we're going to be right in 2026 when this actually launches. So Sofi's new international money transfer service, again, powered by UMA, converts US dollars to Bitcoin in real time. This is how it works, and routes funds across borders using the Bitcoin Lightning Network. And the funds are then instantly converted back into the local currency and delivered directly to the recipient's bank account in the destination country's local currency. So essentially, it converts the US dollars into Bitcoin, routes the funds across the borders using the Bitcoin Lightning Network, and then boom, instantly converts the Bitcoin back into the local currency, and that's sent to the recipient's bank account in the destination country's local currency. Awesome. That's great, right? And LightSpark powers a global network of partner banks and financial platforms. This gives senders and recipients a seamless and secure transfer experience with a financial platform they know and trust, right? And at launch, SoFi's international service will be the first available in Mexico, with more countries to be added shortly after launch. This phased approach ensures speed, security, and consistency for members from day one, with even more countries to follow, right? So this is big news, man. Even though the stock is not reacting to it well, nicely, it's down 4%. It's still big news. It's still big news. And again, the overall market's down, which is definitely a big contributor to SoFi being down. But yeah, I'm pumped about that, guys. Another great service being added to SoFi. Another big reason for people, especially if they're sending money internationally, if they want low fees, right? And full transparency, it's another service that's going to bring people to the platform, which I love as an investor in, this stock. As you guys know, I'm long SoFi. If you guys didn't know that by now, I mean, I'm sure all you guys know that by now. So we can see now we're down 5%. We're down even more since when we started filming this video. So it keeps slipping, as is the entire stock market. Now the Dow's in the red. QQQ's down over 1.2%. The VIX is spiking 4.5%. Let's pull the VIX up quick. We can see big move up here for the VIX, which, I mean, guys, are you surprised? I'm not surprised. We've been saying this. I've been pounding the table, telling you guys, look, the VIX is approaching 14, 15, which has been the low for months on end, all year. All 2025, it's been the low. I've been telling you guys, watch out. VIX is getting low, and here we are. We're starting to spike. Indexes are coming down. You know what I mean? We're getting a cool off in the stock market, which we've needed. And SoFi has definitely needed it. As you guys can see, if I zoom in on the 4-hour time frame now, we're still above both moving averages. Think about that. This thing was fully breaking out. The cup and handle, which honestly is still intact, that was about to play out. It didn't for now. And, it's seeing a healthy pull down. And I think anywhere from $22-ish to $23 a share, that's where we could see buyers coming back in on this, unless we get an even bigger drawdown in the overall stock market. Let's say, SPY starts coming down, let's say to, 630, 625. If QQQ starts slipping even more, let's say it comes down to 560 or something. All right, at that point, SoFi might come down even more. But if these indexes just start to consolidate and rebound, I feel like SoFi might not have much more downside left, at least in the very short term here. What do you guys think? Maybe it goes to $21.50. Maybe it goes to $22, but I think that will get bought up. So I'm going to wrap it up here. That's the quick video update on SoFi. It's not the prettiest day, but we did get some big news for the company. I'm excited about it fundamentally, right? For the long term, it's great news. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. Join my free email stock newsletter. That's linked down below if you guys want to join that. And the Patreon, where I post my weekly portfolio updates. That's down below as well. I posted an update yesterday, and I'm investing thousands of dollars a month, guys. You see all my moves, trades. You get access to the Discord down below on Patreon. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.